Alright, here we are. We at Aloha Tower. You see right there, Aloha Tower? That was the tallest building in Hawaii until 1957, when it was no longer the tallest building in Honolulu. We all know that we have monstrous buildings. Check it out, all around us. Right there is the federal courthouse, bro. You know, I go over there. Go over there. Life will be very, very, very hard for you, my friend. They're gonna make life hard for you. But if you belong there, yeah, life should be hard for you. This is Honolulu Harbor right here, the gathering place of Honolulu. A lot of history goes back. That's why Oahu is the most populated of all islands, because of our beautiful harbors, Honolulu Harbor and Pearl Harbor. Both perfect harbors for the military. Good for us? Yes, because we can deploy ships anywhere in the world at any time and destroy anyone who takes away our freedom. But right over there is the Coast Guard and Sand Island right there. That island right there is man-made. What you're looking at across there is all man-made. It was created to be an island, Sand Island. Aloha. We're going to Aloha Tower. We're going to eat some pasta at the spaghetti factory. Aloha. See, I told you this Filipino. Yeah, I was playing my chicken Cindy said it was from Thailand. I knew it was from Philippines. Well, anyway, walking along here. Look how empty it is, man. Wow, this is freaky. So here we are in a promenade. This is now Hawaii Pacific University, bro. They own this whole freaking thing. But this is the old spaghetti factory. It has a lot of history with us. We like to come here and have spaghetti.
It used to be at the ward.
Yeah, for how many long time? Since the 80s.
Moved it to Aloha Tower.
Right. So we're gonna go indulge inside here. See this guy's grinding already. Hello.
For Saito?
Yeah.
They're cleaning the table right now.
Right on.
Tiffany said that they're gonna text her when the program ends.
Yeah. Look at the hat.
They're outside walking around.
Oh. This is inside the spaghetti factory. I'll show you guys inside a bar area right over here. We will be seated up here in the dining area. They're cleaning our table now. So pretty soon, we can get ready. Okay, here we go. We're being seated right by Waikiki trolley number 529 here. Alright, thank you. Here we go. We got Spider-Man here, and he just flew in. He's saving the neighborhood because of all the criminals we have here. Like her. She's a criminal. She just got released from the mental ward.
I'll be back with water for
Yes.
everybody.
Are you?
Have you guys read
Yes.
water yet?
Can we have diet water, please?
Diet water?
Yeah.
Okay, so what is that? Like no ice?
Sugar-free. All that. Yeah.
Cup of air.
Yeah. Wow.
You guys ready to order?
We're ready to order. You ready? Yeah. Here we go. Fire away. Mine is the easiest. Mine one, I'm gonna have the diet water. Yeah. Oh man. I'm gonna have rich meat sauce. So if I have rich meat sauce, it's gonna make me rich later.
Yes.
Yes.
Guaranteed.
Good answer. Next, Cindy. What is the soup? Minestrone. I'll have the salad. Make that with what kind of dressing you guys have?
Thousand Island.
French or French?
Balsamic vinegar. We don't have French.
Oh, no more French. Okay. Give me French.
Did you order?
Give me the balsamic vinegar. Yeah. Mine one I had right over here, which is the rich meat sauce. Those are different pasta classics. Okay, so we're gonna let everybody order. Then you guys are gonna see when we get orders come in. It's alright. Good. You want spinach dip? Don't worry, Tiffany. You won't be able to finish what you ordered anyway. Alright, we got some bread. Wow, look at that. Look at that. We got. She also made sure there was diet water. They have a special pipe there that has only diet water come out. And she got the diet plates. Thank you. That is the balsamic vinegar with olive oil. I love. Have you ever had that before? Maybe one more. We're bread mongers.
Bread is so good.
I know.
Here you go. Can I pass that to you?
Yeah, here.
I have applesauce. Right here.
And for the applesauce lovers. Okay, here we go. Wow, look at that salad.
Balsamic on the side.
Balsamic mine on the side.
Here you go, sir. On the side.
Yeah.
And then I have
Wow, look at that.
one for him. I'm gonna come around.
Okay, oh, it's coming around the block. Coming around the corner when she come. She'll be coming around the corner when she come. Yeah.
I always use oil and vinegar.
Alright, and then you have the
Wow, we're getting started here. Wow, there's Cindy's one. Wow. Wow, look at that. Mac and cheese right there.
Thank you.
For the mac and cheese eater. Alright, check it out. Check out my sausage right there. Woo-hoo. Me, thank you. Yeah, if you guys got some hot sauce, that'd be fantastic. Thank you.
You ready?
Thank you for asking. What is that? Those are what, stickers? Wow.
I knew you were going to get
Uh-oh.
I knew that the
Spider-Man. How do you see the song?
Does whatever a spider can. What is his on his hat? Is that a spider? Oh, it's a duck. Wow, that's a radical looking duck. Oh, you see, you think you know everything, but you don't. Not today, anyway. It's a road runner, but half duck only. Only the tail is duck tail.
If you eat all that, wow.
Road runner, if you catches you, you're through. Road runner. Wow, look at that. He even put a little light in there. Look at that.
Oh, wow. Look
Wow, that's like really freaky. Yeah, look at that. You want to freak out? He's gonna freak you out. I'm still working on mine.
I'm still eating. Still going?
You still going?
Yeah, he's still going. This is his second plate of this stuff. Wow, this guy is. He loves that. And this is the good one. This is the creme de la creme. Wow!
What's that?
Jason, you're gonna get Jason, you're gonna get the best in the world. Wow, look at that.
Wow.
Is that gonna be a hot dog?
All kind of stuff tonight, huh, Keisha?
Yeah. Wow, Bruno. Wow, look at that. Takes a lot of imagination to do this because I would never be able to do this.
Me either. That's pretty cool.
Wow, look at that.
Oh, spider.
Is it a spider? It's a spider. Spider-Man, Spider-Man does whatever a spider can. Wow, look, you got a baby boy. Oh, what is that? That's where his stinger is. He's gonna sting you. Oh, look, it's a man. Oh, it's Spider-Man. Wow, bravo. Thank you so much. Bravo! Look at the artist. He's such an awesome artist. Thank you. You have enough there. Well, how can you tell the difference? How can you tell the difference?
I don't know.
Oh, that's how you can tell. No panic, mechanic.